Hola pessoal, welcome to Mr. A's English class. English made easy, where learning English is simple and fun. Hoje vamos descobrir o segredo por atrás das letras, vogais, vowels e consoantes, consonants. If you speak Portuguese, you're already a step ahead. Some English vowels sound just like the ones you already know. So let's explore together. What are vowels? Vowels are letters that represent an open sound. In other words, you pronounce them with your mouth open. I'm going to show you some letters and we're going to pronounce them together. In English, we have 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat again. A, E, I, O, U. Do you notice how you pronounce them? Your mouth is open. Now let's try them with some examples. A for apple. E for elephant. I for ice cream. O for orange. U for umbrella. And sometimes the letter Y is a vowel, like in the words cry.
Special tune. In Portuguese, vowels are clear and strong. In English, sometimes they change their sound.
Please make sure to check out the video on phonetics. It describes all sounds made on vowels and consonants. Consonants. What are consonants? Consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel. They are words that are pronounced by stopping the air from flowing easily through the mouth. Now, let us meet consonants. Consonants are all the other letters of the alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P,
Q,
R, S, T, V, W,
X,
Y, and Z. I'm going to give you 3 examples, then we jump into a fun practice exercise. Say with me, B, book, T, tree, M, mountain. Great. Consonants make sounds when you block air with your mouth. Try this. B, B, T, T. Great. Before we go through the fun practice exercise, let's compare the sounds made by vowels and consonants. A. It's an open sound. Say A. B. It's a blocked sound. Say B. E. It's an open sound. S. S. It's a blocked sound. It's an open sound. D. D. It's a blocked sound. O. O. It's an open sound. F. F. It's a blocked sound. U. U. It's a open sound. J. J. It's a blocked sound. Great. Practice that with the rest of the consonants, comparing them with the blocked sound and open sound.
Dica importante. Every English word must have at least one vowel, just like in Portuguese. Toda palavra em inglês deve ter pelo menos uma vogal.
Fun practice exercise. Agora vamos praticar. How many vowels and consonants are in these words? Dog, cachorro. How many vowels and consonants are in the word dog? Great. One vowel and two consonants. Sun, sol. How many vowels and consonants are in the word sun? Great. One vowel and two consonants. Apple, masal. How many vowels and consonants are in the word apple? Great. Two vowels and three consonants. Water, agua. How many vowels and consonants are in the word water? Great. Two vowels and three consonants. Well done. Great job today. Now you know the difference between vowels and consonants. Vogais e consoante. If you want to keep learning English, curta o vídeo, se inscreva no canal, subscribe, turn on your notifications for more lessons. Challenge for you. Comment below with the word that has two vowels. I can't wait to see your answers. Thank you for watching. Até a próxima. Ciao.